Silhouettes of legacy, shadows of giants. Midwest dreams manifest, cactus defiant. Colors splash, vivid pixels paint a story. Black bone brilliance, our time, our glory. Started from the bottom with the digital pen, evolving avatars, crafting our zen. The vision, our mission, a future we own. Metaverse kingdoms, this throne we had sown. Animations where the pixels collide. Black brilliance, shining our dreams amplified. Metaverse sprawling, the future we ride. Animate greatness on a digital tide. Lights flicker, stories come alive. From the heart of the Midwest, genius thrives. Virtual realms built with code and a dream. Black-owned empire, more than it seems. Wireframes of magic, every cell a gem. Animating futures, the helm we've stemmed. No change, just brains, tech is our spear. Virtual coliseums where legacies sear. Human animations where the pixels collide. Black brilliance, shining our dreams amplified.